to the channel. In this video, I will be discussing Maven. This video has been organized into the following parts. In the first part, we will demystify Maven. In the next part, we will talk about the key features of Maven. The following part will dwell on the benefits of using Maven. We will also discuss the Maven project structure, getting started with Maven, dependency management, build lifecycle, and finally, the plugins. If you're a beginner in IT, you don't have to worry, as I'll be starting from scratch in this video. Maven is a build automation tool primarily used for Java-based projects. It simplifies the build process by managing project dependencies, generating documentation, and facilitating the deployment of products. Maven is an open source tool that is widely used in the Java community, and for those who are wondering what that means, open source simply means a computer software that is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants users the rights to use, study, change, and distribute the software and its source code to anyone and for any purpose. Some of the key features of Maven include dependency management, build lifecycle, plugins. Let's talk about dependency management. Dependency management simplifies the management of the project dependencies, allowing developers to specify dependencies in a single file, which Maven then downloads and installs automatically. Speaking of the build lifecycle, Maven provides a standard build lifecycle for Java projects, which includes phases such as compile, test, package, install, and deploy. With regard to plugins, Maven offers a wide range of plugins that can be used to customize the build process and perform various tasks, such as generating documentation, running tests, and deploying applications. The main benefits of using Maven include consistency, automation, reusability. Consistency in this context refers to Maven providing a standardized build process, ensuring that all developers on a project are using the same conventions and processes. With regard to automation, Maven automates many of the tedious and error-prone aspects of the build process, such as dependency management and documentation generation. Reusability. With regard to this, Maven allows developers to reuse code and libraries, reducing the amount of code that needs to be written from scratch. Let's talk about the Maven project structure. Maven projects have a standard. Let's talk about the Maven project structure. Maven projects have a standard directory structure that includes folders such as src main Java, src test Java, and targets. Maven uses the pom.xml file to manage project dependencies and configuration. What is a POM or pom.xml file? POM stands for Project Object Model, and this is a fundamental unit of work in Maven. It is an XML file that contains information about the project and configurations used by Maven to build a project. It contains default values for most projects. How do we get started with Maven? To use Maven, developers need to install it on their local machines and set up a project using the Maven project structure. Once set up, developers can use Maven commands to build, test, package, and deploy their projects. Some of the Maven commands include Maven clean, Maven compiler test compiler, Maven install, Maven deploy. mvn clean is a command that cleans the Maven project by deleting the target directory. mvn compiler test compile is a command that compiles the test classes to the Maven project. mvn install builds the Maven project and installs the project files to the local repository. There's also a command mvn deploy. This command deploys the artifacts to the remote repository. Let's talk about dependency management. Dependency management is one of the key features of Maven. Maven allows developers to specify the project dependencies in a single file, which is then downloaded and installed. Developers can also specify specific versions of dependencies, allowing for greater control over the project's dependencies. Maven build lifecycle. Maven provides a standard build lifecycle for Java projects, which includes phases such as compile, test, package, install, and deploy. Each phase in the build lifecycle has a specific goal, such as compiling the code or packaging the application for deployment. Developers can customize the build lifecycle by creating their own plugins and goals. Maven offers a wide range of plugins that can be used to customize the build process and perform various tasks. Some popular plugins include Maven Surefire plugin for running tests, the Maven Compiler plugin for compiling code, and the Maven Assembly plugin for creating executable jar files. In conclusion, Maven is a powerful tool for managing the build process of Java projects. Its simplicity, automation, and consistency make it a popular choice among developers. If you're working on a Java project, consider using Maven to streamline your build process and improve your productivity. Thank you for watching and subscribe.